does the bayonet clasp work?
To open the clasp, press the two parts gently together until the gap between them disappears. Turn 90 degrees counterclockwise and release. To close the clasp, press the two parts together until the small gap between them disappears. Turn 90 degrees clockwise and release. When the clasp is properly closed, there is a small gap between the two parts, and the fineness mark and a small dot are aligned.
I would also suggest you practice so that in the end you'll be able to practice with closed eyes, which is kind of the same than opening and closing a necklace on your neck. I particularly like the bayonet clasp because it doesn't disrupt the line of the chain. Treat your jewelry with kindness.